now create the wireframe geometry. First, select Wireframe, and then select Rectangle. Enter the width as 2 inches and the height as minus 5.75. Make sure Anchor to Center and Create Surface are not selected. Select the origin or select Auto Cursor Origin. Press OK to exit the command. Then select Fit to Screen. Click the arrow next to Rectangle and select Rectangular Shapes. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 1, minus 5.5 and press Enter. Change the type to Obround. Method should be set to base point and select the lower middle as the base point. Change the width to 0.875 and press Enter. Change the height to 4.25 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 1, minus 4.5 and press Enter. Change the width to 0.25 and press Enter. Change the height to 2.5 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Circle Center Point. Enter the radius as 0.5 and press Enter. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 1, minus 1 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select Divide and make sure entity type is set to Trim. Then select these 3 arcs. Press OK to exit the command. Select Line Parallel. Select this line and pick a point below it. Enter the offset distance as 0.25 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select this line, pick a point below it, enter the offset distance as 0.5 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select Divide. Select this entity, and this one. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Line Endpoints. Make sure Freeform and Tangent are enabled. Set the length to 2 inches and set the angle to 270 minus 160 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Enter the length again and press Enter. By entering the length again and pressing Enter, Mastercam will know that the length is meant to be 2. Enter the angle as 270 plus 160 and press Enter. Then select this line. If you did not enter the length and press Enter first, when you selected the base point, the length would try to change with your cursor. Press OK to exit the command. Zoom in on this area. Expand Rectangle and select Polygon. Make sure the number of sides is set to 6 and the radius is set to 0.25. Change Radius to Corner. Change the corner fillet to 0.0625 and then select the midpoint of this arc. If necessary, enter the radius again and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Zoom in on this area. Then select Fillet Entities. Make sure the method is set to normal. The radius is set to 0.5, and trim entities is enabled. Select this entity, and then this one. Select this entity, and then this one. Press OK and create new operation. Change the radius to 0.25 and press Enter. Select this entity, and then this one. Select this entity, and then this one. Then press OK to exit the command. Expand fillet entities and select fillet chains. Make sure the chaining method is set to chain and select this chain here. Then press OK. Make sure method is set to normal. Change the radius to 0.0625. Rounded corners is set to all, and settings is set to trim. Then press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Next, we will rotate the part to have it oriented as it will be set up at the machine. Select Transform, and then select Rotate. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all entities, then press End Selection. Change the method to Move. Set the angle to -90. Then press OK. Right-click in the graphics area and select Clear Colors. Next, select Solids. Then select Extrude. Make sure the selection method is set to Chain. Then select this entity, this one, and this one. Then press OK. Change your view to isometric. If this arrow is pointing up, click on Reverse. Change the extrude distance to 0.125 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Select the Solids panel. If the Solids panel is not here, select View and enable Solids. Expand the solid and you will see the operations used to create it. You can change the display of the solid using the status bar. We will use Outline Shaded. Return to Wireframe, and then select Bounding Box. Press Ctrl A to select all entities and press End Selection. To add extra stock at the bottom for clamping, make sure that the origin is selected as Center Top. Then change the Z value to 0.25 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Change your view back to top. Next, save your file. Select Save As, give your file a name, and press Save.